Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the screen that is zoomed in on your iPhone. So just use 3 fingers and double tap the screen, kind of like this, and it should zoom in and out. And this is because you got the accessibility option on. Just go back to the main settings page and locate settings here. And then go to accessibility. And then it will be zoom. We can just turn this off so it doesn't happen in the future. So you might accidentally just press your screen with 3 fingers. Turn this off. Now when you tap it with 3 fingers, it won't turn on in the future. Now if you still can't get this to turn off, just restart your iPhone. So we can just force restart it by pressing volume up, volume down, hold down the power button. So let's do that now. Volume up, volume down, hold down the power button right here. You might see the unlock feature right there, or the where it says power off. Just continue to hold this down and our iPhone is going to power off, and then it's going to restart. So now it should restart like normal here in a second, and then the screen zoom should be just turned off. Then go into the accessibilities option and just completely disable it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.